Learning or non-formal education. It is accessible, it is organized. The trainer has to prepare the educational content and the methodologies beforehand and to adjust it to the learner's motivation to participate. It has to be centered around the learner, and it has to help the learners interact with each other and learn from each other and not only from the educator. Then it is focused more on soft skills and personal growth, which means that it can be used in order to develop competencies. Then some of the examples of non-formal learning activities are to create a collaborative space